Factories might be noisy places, but if you're a factory manager or executive, the sound of a well-running assembly line is music to your ears. What you don't want to hear is the quiet of expensive, unplanned downtime. You also don't want to hear the sound of ruined raw materials being tossed onto the scrap heap. And you definitely don't want to hear from dissatisfied customers who spot quality issues your team missed. But if your quality control still depends on paper forms, you might be hearing those sounds more often than you like. That's because no matter how skilled your workers are, paper forms are prone to mistakes, and they don't do a great job of helping you spot problems before they occur. A modern digital solution like Transform can fix that. By digitizing your forms, you'll no longer have to deal with illegible handwriting, incomplete data, data entry errors, or misplaced paper forms. And Transform can do things you could never do with paper forms, like error checking data right as it's entered. It can also be used to scan barcodes, look up data and documents, take photos, and a lot more. Better still, the data you collect can be organized onto a dashboard or even a heads-up display so you can see exactly what's going on in real time. Transform is easy to set up and free assistance is available if you need. It's also fully functional offline, so it will operate on the shop floor even if there's no Wi-Fi. If this sounds good to you, let us know. We'd love to show you how Transform is a sound solution for your business.